Hey, have you been looking for the best solo ad traffic sources and best capture pages to use with your paid traffic? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this solo ads tutorial, I'm going to share with you exactly which systems that you can use to get the maximum amount of results with your paid traffic and be able to get some leads, make some sales, and be able to convert those sales. So over the past 2.5 years of me selling traffic, what I found was that a lot of people are struggling to set up their capture pages. They don't know what capture pages to use. They don't know where to get traffic from. They don't know how to get everything set up the right way to be sending out good emails. And most people who are getting paid traffic, their emails are landing in the spam box, and they're wondering why their open rates are so low. So we've took the time to put together a system that will allow you to get the best results with your paid traffic, and you keep 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. So you could find this page, the second link below in this video description. So you go to the second link in the description and you'll find this page. When you opt into here, it's going to give you information on systems and how you can actually create a system just like this and how you can get your hands on it, right? So this is going to give you the system to actually be able to produce those results. Now, this is something that we've been testing that actually gets amazing results for people, and there's a follow-up and everything's already done for you. So imagine all the emails being done for you, everything being able to be sent out for you. We're sending out the emails on your behalf, so you're making the commissions. So the emails that are being sent out are on an aged domain. Typically, when somebody's getting traffic, typically they're getting a brand new domain and their domain isn't aged, which also contributes to why their emails are going into the spam box. But if you use this page with our system, you'll be able to get the best results with your traffic. So this is what I would suggest, and I would suggest this because it's easy to set up and you don't have to worry about what pages to use. You don't have to worry about anything like that. Keep it very, very simple, and that's how you'll get the best results possible in your business. You want to keep things simple. You don't want to overcomplicate it. You want to be able to make some money, get some money, make some residual income, and be able to grow it from there. So this is what I suggest you do. Now, you want to know about traffic sources, you could come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and this is my traffic store. And why you should get traffic from me is because you need to know who you're getting traffic from, and you need to make sure that the traffic is converting towards the offers that you're promoting, and you want to make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent to the offer, and you want to know the quality of the traffic, right? That's very important. So that's part of what happens when you get traffic from me. You're going to know all that stuff, and when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, big PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic when you order traffic from me. And the difference between getting traffic from me and somebody else is I actually help you to set up your funnel and manage your offers, and I help you to be able to get high converting pages that convert up to 85% opt-in rate, and you will understand how to track your leads and conversion rates. A lot of times when people are starting in getting traffic to the offers, they don't know how to actually track their leads. They don't know how to track their leads. They don't know how to track their sales. They don't know their opt-in rate. They don't know their conversion rate. They don't know their tier one. They don't know which sources it's coming from. So the thing you don't want to do is you don't want to go and get a bunch of traffic from people and then not know where the source is coming from. That's very important to know the source when you're getting traffic. And I want to help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, right? So it's important that you build know, like, and trust factor with your audience. And so how this all works is step one, you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier one and 100% tier one. You can pick the one that works best for you. And in step two, we start your traffic campaign within 72 hours or less. We do a review before that. and then we look over your funnel and give you feedback on your funnel and actually help you to get conversions. And I tend to get my clients anywhere from 50 to 85% opt-in rate. And then we run your traffic order, which is step 3. We run that within 72 hours. Here's some of the testimonials that I have from people. Here's the first one, 200 clicks, 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so take a look at that for yourself. You can look over that right there. Here's the packages right here. The more traffic you get, the cheaper it gets, right? So, 100 clicks of traffic, $75, and it gets cheaper from there. Here's 100% tier 1 right there. So you could check which one works best for you. Here's the questions that people ask. So if you have any questions, chances are they're going to be answered down here. And I would highly suggest looking over these before you make a purchase from me. And if you have to reach out to me, you can leave a comment below this video. You can also reach out to me on Facebook, GeoAmbushGianta. You can get to my Facebook page by clicking on the link below this video as well. It's going to lead to my Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow in business. And here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And if you have any other questions, you can leave them right here as well. You can write me right here, or you can leave me a message on Facebook or under this video. And I would suggest using a system that is done for you, ready to go, and turnkey, that will allow you to attract the right kind of customers into your business. And you want something that is ready to go for you, right? So a lot of people say done for you. I like to say turnkey. Turnkey has a lot more value with it, because at the end of the day, you still have to get traffic. That's still something that you're going to have to do no matter what system you use, no matter what you set up. But if you click the link below this video, the second link, you're going to go to that system, go to that page, and that's going to show you how to set up a system that works for you, and you're going to learn how to do it the right way, right? So, click on that second link below this video, and there's also going to be a link to my traffic store. So if you want to get traffic and you want to come here, you could click on the link below and get here as well, right? So, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I thank you for watching, and bye for now.